Okay folks, in today's video I'm actually going to take a break from all my shop upgrade videos to go work on my patio. There's a breezeway that goes from my front yard to my backyard, and it goes through my patio, and it's about yay wide, just wide enough for me to walk through. My wife is getting on my case about how cluttered it is back there. So in this video I'm going to be tackling some of my lumber storage. I got about 20 pallets or so that I've acquired to use for scrap wood. I'm going to be taking care of all of those. Landscape equipment and a few odds and ends back there that I need to kind of clear up and organize, throw some stuff away. So in this video I'll be taking care of all of that. Alright, so as you can see, I've used the carcasses of some of the pallets to create shelving for the scrap and body parts of other pallets that I've had, and got that all taken care of. Those green buckets over there are broken glass. And why do I have broken glass, you ask? Because I'm landscaping my backyard and have been for the past 5 or so years. That all came out of the dirt that I filtered back here to put back behind that retaining wall. All that rock was in the dirt as well as all that rock. And even though it's covered in sawdust, all this is gravel back in here. That's sawdust that I just need to clean up. It all came from my jointer that I keep out here. I'm also going to have my miter saw set up out here so that it's easier to break stuff down. And of course there's my lumber rack. That's all, well, not my lumber rack, my log rack. Once I get a mill set up so I can start to mill some of my own lumber from that. But yeah, that's pretty much my back now. You can see that there's a much wider walkway now going through my patio. That should make my wife a little happier. I am hoping to get some lights put up in my ceiling here, just so there's some little outdoor lighting. Even if I'm not out here working, I can be out here with some light in the backyard. So let me know what you think. If you would have done anything different, or if you have any suggestions, I'd love to hear about it in the comments below.